Morning guys, myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today we will be discussing about rise of Islam. Let us see exactly what has been given in the next slides. The rise of Islam has taken place between 570 CE to, that is 632 Common Era. As you can see how exactly the prayers were held during the time of Ramzan in the Makkah. Who is the founder of the Islam is, that is Muhammad Prophet, and the holy book is Bible. As you can see to the right how exactly he looks like. I request you guys to go through playlist where you will find near about 800 plus question papers of various examinations for the defense as well as central government jobs. So I request you guys to share it to your friends. Initially, the founder of Islam, we knew that is Muhammad Prophet, as I had shown in the figure, was born on 570 BC in Makkah. So he has founded it in 570 BC. He born, and in Makkah it has been taken place. And next we have the parents are Abdullah and Amina. These are the mother and father of Muhammad Prophet, who belongs to the Qurayshi dynasty or tribe, whatever. Next we have in 622 BC, on 24th September, few persons were attacked, on which resulted in leaving the Makkah. So here the Prophet Muhammad has been attacked by few people in Makkah, which resulted in leaving that Makkah and reached Medina. So that moment of Makkah to Medina, that is Masrich. So this has it taken place, and that from that day onwards, whenever there is he had moved to Makkah to Medina, that is Hijra. Hijra means the Muslim new calendar. From that onwards, that Hijra has taken place. That is a Muslim new calendar. As you can see, the Prophet Muhammad, he was died in 632 BC. The spreading of Islam was done by Khalifas. So they are the son of Prophet Muhammad. That whatever the Islam has been spreaded by these Khalifas. So as you can see to the right of this figure, how exactly the chrysanthemum, you can directly see the star and the moon. So the main intention of during that time was a golden age of Muslim civilization, and during the time of Ottoman and Safavid empires. As you can see, first Khalifa Abu Bakr and second Khalifa Umar and third Khalifa, that is Usman. So these are the first, second and third Khalifas which they belongs to, that is Sunni, and the fourth Khalifa, that is Ali, was concerning to Shia. So overall there are four Khalifas exist. Among them, first three were Sunni and the last one was Shia. Whatever the religious book of Islam, as we have Bhagavad Gita for the Hindus, the religious book of Islam, that is Quran, which has got near about 144 chapters. The Quran manuscript covers two parchment leaves and contains parts of the surahs, chapters 18, that is through 20, written with ink in an early form of Arabic script called Hijazi. So you have to remember that whatever the Arabic script, that is known as Hijazi, but the Urdu, that is from right to left, which was written. Now whatever the principles to be followed by the Islamic people, there are few pillars of faith. As you can see, faith, fasting, alms, prayer, Hajj. So these are the few things. They are the pillars of faith. So there is only one God and Muhammad is his prophet. That was their main faith. Fasting during the month of Ramadan, that is Ramzan or Ramadan, changes every year because the Islamic calendar is lunar calendar. Alms, similar to the Christian must give a portion of income to charity and spreading the faith. Next is prayer. Must pray 5 times a day at dawn, noon, afternoon, sunset, and in the evening. Must be in Arabic language. Must face Makkah. They have to face that. Hajj. Pilgrimage to Makkah must be made once in your lifetime. However, the early and the poor can send a representative. So these are the few things which has to be followed by the each and every person. The pictures also have been given 5 pillars of faith. As you can see to the left, whatever I had written, Kalma, that is God is one. Namaz, that is 5 times. You have to pray by facing Makkah. As you can see, Zakat, to serve the poor people, I had told that. And Roza, you have to be maintaining the fast between the dawn and dusk during the time of Ramzan. After that, you can have the whatever the food. Hajj, to visit the Makkah at least once prior death. Zihad, to fight against the evil by adopting the spiritual methods. These are the few things which has to be followed by the every Islamic candidate. So as you can see here, you can call me on 766730 for 2100 PDF of GK and GS if you are interested. Thank you. Have a good day. Have a great life.